Yan, 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 yan.
Oh damn. Just like up. We riding out today. About to go see if this. Man, them police officers was pressed. They was like, did you know that your car is still here? You just told me yesterday. Damn. Baltimore City. It's my home. They just like me. Say the day just started. She just woke up. I was up all night, tossing and turning, because she just up under me. One hand on my nipple, the other. Like she just got me up under me. Coffee. I don't even drink coffee. I'm just so tired. And these lashes is extra heavy, so it's like I have a bad habit of ripping my lashes out. They're gonna know my name by the time this year is over with. Hey, Miss Kelly, you're coming down again? Hello. Thank you. Just to get from my house to my job, I pay a toll. Twice a day. And if my dumb ass happen to forget something, that's double. But the days when I'm off, like today, I'm gonna be passing through here at least maybe 3 or 4 times. So
when you get your easy pass?
I know.
No, you don't know.
I don't. Okay. What about it? So I'm gonna get my car. Then I definitely gotta go to probably the camera store. And then I gotta get some flowers to make a flower set for somebody. But it all depends on time. And me and my boo was talking about making a YouTube channel just for us. And I was like, we can mesh it all into one. So some days, you know, we can film us together. Acting dumb and shit. You gotta point it at mommy. You gotta make sure she's in there. Hey, look at you. Come here, baby.
Honda Accord, Nissan Altima. Mazda Nissan Altima.
La 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 la.
Sit right here and point it at mommy. So you will sit down. Okay.
La 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 la
And then make sure you get over there.
La, 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 la. It's taking a picture of me too.
Yes. Let me get out the way.
Wow. Wow.
Videographer.
Wow. Hey. Hi, Mama.
What's good, baby?
You lie.
You're probably getting all in my nostrils.
Dun, dun, dun.
I'm alright, but this is taking forever. I got a lot of shit to do.
No.
It's just a major inconvenience. Positive.
Oh, wow.
Could be worse.
Wow, wow, wow.
You don't want to share the camera.
Trying to steal my shine.
Wow, wow, wow. Don't mess my hair up.
Okay. London, jeez.
Oh, licking. It's Papa.
So is that animation again?
You gotta read the sign of this.
Wow, 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 wow.
You want to start this?
Mommy, look at the TV.
Did you point the camera that way?
But I had to because it was funny.
Look up there.
Huh?
Oh.
Oh, it's on too. Let's go.
You know the number. They already been helping.
Love, love, love.
I ain't hit shit. I ain't hit shit.
I never do. I have to go through that every day.
They don't play. They call my number. I ain't come up in like 2 seconds.
They changed it?
14.
You gotta pay to buy your own car back.
To get the car out. $170. Wow, it had a ticket on it too. I knew about that ticket. But
So you get to knock 2 birds out with one.
yeah. It better not be damaged though.
She is so redneck. When she
I have a feeling something will be fucked up.
please be quiet. Just please, because it's not like that. She'll do reenact
Hi.
like this.
There's a bag of raw donuts in the back seat, yo. So it kills my suspicions. But this is crazy. Whoever took it, there's bongs in there. There's shoes, tampons, condoms.
Huh?
It's nasty.
And you can tell it must have been a worker. So it has to be somebody that must have worked the bar that night. Because there's donut. Who has a bag of donuts? And we live by bars and like food places. Because you can see the shoes. It's like worker shoes in there. Babe, can you FaceTime me or no? FaceTime me right now,
Oh
please.
my god.
Babe. Alright, so I'm gonna just show you a review of your car, right? So this, it has to have been a random person. You see this? No, just listen. Just look at what I'm showing you. You see the window? So they must have popped the window. They tried to scrape the emblem off. But look, just look at the inside. There's a bag of hot donuts. Your jeans are gone. There's a bunch of work clothing. There's a bag of tires, tampons. Not only that, but they left like bombs, like. So whoever took it, luckily it's not.
Look up in the top when you pull the mirror down. Is this paperwork up there?
No.
Alright, sweet. That was the mission. They took that too.
Well, here's something right here.
That might be it.
It's nasty in here. No, I don't want to get in here.
I'd rather be a random person do it, you know, because that happens to people sometimes. They pop. Whoever did it knew what they was doing. They pop, and that's crazy. But I don't want the car anymore. You know, like they christened it. They broke that shit in. So I guess now we go get my kids. Well, no, we got a little time. We can go to Rose's, then get the kids, and then we'll be done. So we're gonna be on our way to get the flowers now. Now, where we going? We're gonna stop by CVS, see if they got the little the transponder thing. I think that's what it's called. Y'all I don't text and drive. It's just I got a lot going on. Oh yeah, it do. It say CVS sell a Sun Pass. So we're gonna go get that so I can stop paying so much money in tolls. I ate a croissant.
Why you go out
and eat? Three boiled eggs. Good protein. 3 boiled eggs. No, that's a lot. A croissant. 3 boiled eggs, salt and pepper. Probably look greasy. My back is sweating.
Don't put your jacket off.
Don't
put your jacket off.
You right.
No, not at all.
You know where I can get one?
Maybe the light rail station. That's the only spot I can think of.
Okay.
Maybe
They
another
used
day.
to sell the Metro cards, but they stopped doing that altogether.
You know what I'm talking about though, right?
The Easy Pass for,
Tolls.
yeah, the Metro station. That's the only.
Not the Easy Pass, the transporter.
The transponder.
Trans.
So when you go to the toll, you put it, because it said CVS. Okay.
No, not our store.